Hi trader, this is Ali, your market outlook presenter. Welcome to the chart trader, bond yen forecast in detail, in depth, progressing down from monthly down to 1 hour time frame. We recently have crossed over 1,000 subscribers. I would like to take this opportunity and welcome you to our YouTube community. Let me say congratulations, you just made the right choice in your life, and time will prove it. Here you will discover everything you need to know about Forex trading, Forex education, and Forex market research using modern Elliott wave counting, wave analysis, chart patterns, and trend analysis. Research and analyze the market like Forex, stock, future, equity, commodity, and cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin and Ripple. And before we go ahead and start our today outlook, let me quickly give you some golden rules to remember when you're trading. So, thing to remember when trading. Trading is not easy as you think. Remember, market can always prove you wrong. So make sure to trade with proper risk management. You have to make sure no matter what happens, the position you enter never can blow up your account. Always leave space for better opportunity. Guys, one of the most reasons that make trader lose is changing their lot size based on emotions or because of they lost a trade or whatever happens. Make sure you don't do that. No matter what, opportunity is there. And remember, the best opportunity can be the one that hurt you the most. Change your lot size. So change your lot size only after planning your risk and fully understand the risk involved. This needs to be done on the weekend where there no market are open. This will help you master it, and also not to forget, don't change your trading size so often. Make a plan like every week or every month or 6 months or a year, whatever, just plan it. Always plan your trade and only trade your plan. Every losing trade, take a break, not less than 3 hours before you enter the next trade. This will help you realize your mistake and keep your emotions away. Guys, the most powerful skills in trading is not making profit, it's securing your equity and find a way to stay in the game. And remember, if opportunity goes, other opportunity will come. There's nothing to miss or you missed. Accepting lose is not a mistake, but admitting the mistake is the power to keep you in the heart of this game. If you don't know how to trade, then don't trade, especially based on someone else's idea, even me. Use all those ideas from other people to confirm your own idea and to give you more confidence in making your decision. If so, then go and learn how to trade first. Remember, investing in yourself is more important than investing in the market. If you're interested and happy with what we're doing in here, we can teach you the same as what we do and what we know. If you're not experienced yet, then don't waste your time watching this outlook or whatever or any other ones. Go and find someone that can help you learn how to trade like successful trader. It's the time to stand up and invest in yourself. Based on that, we at the Chart Trader has created a course that can save your time and effort and improve your skill. We call it the Chart Trader Fast Track course. Yes, you heard correct. It will fast track your trading skills and knowledge in no time. When we say it, remember that we mean it. For more detail about this, visit our course page to learn more what we offer. And finally, please remember, anything in here is our own point of view. We are not advising you to take any trade based on our call. We are showing you what we're expecting, and remember, anyone can make mistake. You must have your plan and strategy and risk management and trade management before making any trade. Let's now get started. We will go to monthly time frame and progress down. As we promised you guys at the beginning of this video, we will progress down to 1 hour and tell you what we see in there. Based on what we have in the chart and from me checking other charts, that move came from the top. What we do understand at this point is this. We are now either coming here, okay? This is your last target. They can come to 39. If you see them at any point, any time they crashed and came here, you can buy here with peace of mind. Because trust me, if they manage to come here, there is big move to the upside from right here, okay? But so we got, when we progress down to weekly and daily, you will see more detail about that last moves, okay? Let's now just focus on this, what we got in there. So what we see in this structure, you can see this is ABC and this ABC, and we are in the last move to the downside. Okay, when we progress down again, we will show you where we're expecting this move to end. So on monthly time frame, we are looking for downside only. The trend is to the downside. So quickly clean up this stuff and put trend line here. This trend line should be, okay, this is your trend line now. So guys, before we move on to weekly, remember there is two possibility for this to form up, okay? We're expecting them to come here in any point. Now, later, soon later, they will come here, okay? But now there is a change. As long as it doesn't break this bottom, okay, we can go here and then drop from there. We will see this one when we come down to another time frame, smaller time frame. So just let me clear up everything so we don't have too much stuff when we go to small time frame. Let's move on to weekly and let the fun start. So today in here, guys, you're getting a lot of information, okay? A lot of skills as well, if you know what I'm doing. So where we get the long target from? The channeling they're making, okay? We're expecting them to come at some point here to the bottom of this channel. But this is not everything, and you don't have to go in there. Once you break this bottom, we can turn to the upside. Okay, once this bottom is broken, this green line here, then we can go freely to the upside and not for this gold structure. Gold structure only if we don't break the bottom. Remember that if you break the bottom, there is another structure in there. That's mean we are change direction and we're going to the upside only. Okay, but for now, just remember this. Forget the gold structure. We'll talk about in detail after as well. So based on weekly, we are still looking for downside only. So we got now monthly and weekly confirmed downside. Let's move on to daily, and we'll tell you what we have in here in detail. So let's quickly have a look in this. So the gold structure, there is possibility on daily to happen. Okay, this will only confirm if you break this top, guys. Once you break this top, you can start looking for buy up to this level. Your first target will be at this point. Let me show you. This is your first target, and second target is to the top. So you take proof area, white correction, and you'll be buying to the top to break that top right there. Let me give you the number. 233.333 or 333. Okay, this is our long-term target to the upside, but I'm still not expecting the up move to happen. Let's go in detail and tell you why. Okay, the reason we have to come back to weekly, forget to mention that. So let me just explain for you why we see that our move is happening in notice. Okay, just one second. So let the chart load up, because we can see this move, it's already happened here. Okay, and we can expect now we are at that down move. So this move, we can see that it's coming here. So this a possibility, and I really favor this possibility to the downside. Okay, let's move now to 4 hours, and let's have some fun in here. So this morning we called this trade for our trader, and last night we called this trade, and I posted it on my weekly outlook. If you watch it, you will find we said call this trade to the downside. When you come to 1 hour, you see it more clearly. So what's now? That's how you follow and manage how to follow up with the structure, guys. Okay, and you trade piece by piece. You don't have to wait the long term. Just need to understand the long term and put in mind so it back you up. At any point you make mistake, you know where you're going. So what can we have now? Only if we break this box, we are coming here. Okay, and from here we'll be selling. So let's just make this more detailed. Okay, we are falling here. So how do we know where is this? You can put trend line at this level. You see our forecast right at the top there, and you expect them to turn from this trend line or above a little bit, no problem. So it's no issue with the break. Okay, remember that. So if you see this top broken, find buy setup and take this trade if you wish. Not now, only if you break this top, because they can drop very hard from here. Okay, this can be the one that goes to the downside. This can be the correction, and this can be the to the downside. That what we was expecting in the morning. We said this will come here. Okay, and from here we will see how they're going to drop, because we're expecting this is correction and this is impulsive move, and we will follow by second impulsive move. And if this happens, let's just be clear on this one, and let me tell you in detail what's that. Just patient, guys. Let me just keep things. So if you see them dropping from here, you keep your eyes on this level. There is a chance for them to go from here to the top and then drop. Okay, and this will be ABC bigger structure to the upside, and then we will drop something like this, strong and fast to the downside. So if this plays out, do not miss it. If we don't break this top, if we're breaking this top, we are going to a trend line. No matter what happens, we can see them going there. Okay, but let me give you one more ID. So this will help you manage it properly and know where's to watch reaction. Just let me do you guys. Sorry for taking the time in deleting that stuff. This is how it works. You will put your Fibonacci level. And keep your eyes on the 61 zone, on this zone. Okay, this fib level they can turn from here. If they smash it, keep buying. We are going up to the 78. So I'm not going to go too much in detail on Fibonacci. We have our style in it, our trading methodology in it. So this is only for my member in my course. But I just gave you where you have to look for. So you next look at the price 137.283, and if we break it, if you break it with 2 hours solid candle outside of this zone, buy it, because we are going to 141.331, and then from there we will drop. So in either way, I think we in sideway, we will come here and go up or and drop, continue to the downside only, guys. Our view, because monthly, daily, weekly told us our structure to the downside, and there is no change to make us change our point of view to look to the upside. There is no upside momentum at this time. Even if you see that little spike, this is nothing. They always spike like this before they drop. I'll show you some example as well. So just let's go to 1 hour and let me explain this one more. So because the bigger trend to the downside, even if we have that possibility, if you remember that goes the possibility to the upside, it still not existed for us. We still trade piece by piece, and we trade on 1 hour time frame and 4 hours. And once we buy and sell always, okay, and once they break some, like let's say for example this is a trend line, then we'll see if we change our view or if this is still a structure to drop. Okay, this is how we do it. You need to know how to follow up with structure, and you need to understand what you're looking for in the market. If you don't understand that, this will be very hard for you. So let me tell you now what we're expecting in again on the 1 hour time frame. I just clear up everything and make it nice and smooth. So I can keep for you this one for next weekly outlook, and I show you if these things is happening. So this our box, they're reacting on our box. We can see them dropping from here. Okay guys, and this is your target, and if they done this, we will watch this one closely. We'll put a break even. If you find sell setup, this is not sell setup, don't try to sell from the top. Wait them to correct sideways, and then you can enter the breakout. So I gave you this one for free as well, how to enter the trade. Anyway, let's not much talk about this, and let's talk about the trade itself. This is where you need to focus on. You trade when they drop, and to see if you have reaction and the turning momentum, you close your trade at this price. If you see them coming sharp, do not close it when there's just retreat. Leave it, because this can be the one that continue to the downside. Remember guys, always make trading simple. Try the simplest best. Okay, simple tells me this is coming to the downside, our trend, bigger trend to the downside. But complex structure, they will come here and they will go sideways like this. Let me tell you exactly what to do. Oh. So if they decide to do bigger ABC, that we will be having in there. And then the drop will be from here, not from the top. That's me. If this has to manage to come and drop to here, to this place. Remember, again, I say again, if you enter that trade, you keep it, because this can be the one that goes. It doesn't have to do this. This is complex structure. I know you don't understand that, but this can very possibility to happen. Okay, they stuck here sideways and then go to the upside. They can spike this one sharp, doesn't have to be exactly like this. They can go sharp and then drop. But remember guys, always before they turn, that's what we look for. Okay, you see that momentum turning, you can see them always turning. Let's bring them upside now. But you don't need to close it straight away. See, going up, they come back down, going up, they come back down. Anytime they go back up, they go up, they come back down. Let's say this one take the opposite way. Okay, they come down. You see how they give you correction I was talking about, and this way you enter the breakout. New correction will enter the breakout again, and this is how you trade. They always, when they changing direction, they pull back. They give you correction and they continue. So there is nothing to miss, and it's up to you what your trading strategy is, but I don't advise you to trade from the top. This has made me lose couple times. Even I'm mastering the move, okay, I was trying to trade that from the top. They just spiked little bit, close me out and turn back to my direction. And this is very hard on your emotion if this happens to you. If you get cleared out of the trade and the things happen exactly the way you want. I know this may happening right now to you, and that's the reason I just gave you now. Don't try to force sharp move, because this as well is, if you see we break this top, we are going here. See, there is a possibility for the upside. So don't risk it from here and say, oh, I use stop loss. Trust me, you will move this stop loss if they come here. Then you will say, oh, okay, I'll wait them to pull back, I'll wait them to pull back, and they will continue all the way up and you still in the trade. So find sell setup only. Use a strategy and plan your trade, then trade it. Okay. So this was in detail our pound yen, pound GPY for you guys from monthly coming down to 1 hour time frame. You notice in this one we gave you some strategy here how to trade it and what to look for. I gave you K area, K level in the market, turning point, and entry and exit. Do not use it before you investigate yourself in the market before entering a trade. Okay guys, I'm not responsible for anyone that lose or whatever happens. So good luck with that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please, if you didn't subscribe, and give a like for the video. This will make me motivated to do more for you guys and will make me happy to give you out more. I think you're gonna love this video because you got the move what will happen for the next couple months, couple years maybe, and you will see playing out exactly as you expected guys. If you go to my trading view page, you will see we did forecast a lot of stuff like this. Let me quickly show you one before we go, so you know what I'm talking about. Just quickly go here. Oh, I don't know if you can see this actually. Yes. Just let me here. Guys, just go there to the chart trader. Okay, this is my page. This internet is very slow today, so go there and search DXY. We did the forecast DXY from very long time, not from today, from like 2 years before, and they still playing out exactly as we forecasted. It's not moving here. Okay. So if you manage to save us for now, you visit my page, you can follow us as well in there and see our trade setup. You see we did forecast a lot of trade setup and they're playing out exactly as we did say. You guys, plenty of trade. So let me put this one. What's this guys? what is the power of what you're doing. We did post this one on February 7th 2019. Okay, and let's play it and see if we got that. Watch how we forecast every top and bottom on this move. Just look for now, guys. We forecasted it from here. We got exactly the top, the bottom, and the top again. Let's see if this managed to play out more. See, guys? See what I mean here? See how we go all the move? General direction, when you know it, you know every trade. And guys, the more powerful stuff, we did forecast this down move. If you watch my video, Outlook, you will find it. If you visit my website, you will see this one as well. We did forecast this down move right from the top right to the bottom here, exactly here. And we did forecast up to here, and we exit the trade, and we said wait, our new setup. We did call the bottom from right here, and we got all this move to the upside. We did call this top, and we said they're going to drop. We did get this move as well. We got this. So don't worry about that. You can visit and see yourself. Okay, you can go to my website as well, thecharttrader.com, and link will be in description again. And maybe if you want to go to chart analysis page, you will see this as well was posted in there. This was Euro New Zealand is still playing out. We don't move it until we get our target. Okay, we are somewhere here now. We go exactly this and this. Let's just show you this. See, guys, this was the move. By the way, this chart here, you can draw, do whatever you want on it. We got this move and this move. This was sent out as well for our member, for my emailing list, our email subscriber. You can find it on the website at the bottom. How you subscribe to our email list. Just put your name and your email. So anyway, no further talk. Watch this. We did call this and this. Watch it here, still here as well. See, this and this, and we did put in detail what this will happen, how this will happen, and they playing out exactly as we expected. This Euro New Zealand. So guys, let's end this video here. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like again and subscribe if you didn't do yet. And please guys, I want to see your comment. If you're enjoying this video, let me know in the comments so I can do more for you guys like this. Thank you and bye. See you next time.